Is that a new subdivision? Many homebuyers would be happier building a new home in a planned community rather than competing for existing homes while housing inventory is low. Here's some things to consider before diving into new construction. If you see a newly constructed community, stop in. They usually have a model home open to entice buyers and can share with you the information on what features and amenities the finished community will offer. Many of these communities are developed on the outskirts of town due to high costs of land in urban and suburban areas, so be conscious of your commute to schools, shopping, dining, and recreation. Don't expect mature landscaping. If you're looking for older, taller trees that cover your property, new construction may not be for you. And lastly, many of these subdivisions may have homeowners associations to manage amenities and enforce rules, which can add to your monthly costs. Contact a Movement Mortgage loan officer to know how much you can afford and loan options that can get you into your dream home.